You've been here before. You finally lie down, promise yourself you're just gonna scroll for 5 minutes, and suddenly it's 3 a.m. You wake up 6 hours later, your eyes are burning, your brain is completely fogged, and you swear to yourself, I'm going to bed early tonight. But tomorrow never comes. Yet you probably know that one person, that entrepreneur, that high performer who claims they only sleep 5 or 6 hours a night and they somehow wake up looking fresh, sharp, and fully charged. Are they superhuman? No, they've just mastered the science of sleep efficiency. Welcome to Dr. Eazylife. Today, we are hacking your sleep, not by destroying it, but by optimizing it. Let's dive into the science of real rest. Here is the ultimate truth. It is not about how long you spend in bed. It's about how efficiently your brain moves through its sleep cycles. Every 90 minutes, your brain cycles through different stages, from light sleep down into deep sleep and back up into REM. Deep sleep is for your body. It repairs muscles, recharges your immune system, and restores physical energy. REM sleep is for your brain. It's where your focus, creativity, and memory are locked in. If your sleep cycles are clean, your body gets a full recovery in just 5.5 to 6 hours. But if your sleep is fragmented by blue light, stress, or caffeine, you can sleep 9 hours and still wake up feeling dead. Step 1 is mastering the 90-minute rule. Waking up in the middle of a deep sleep cycle makes you groggy. Waking up right as a cycle ends makes you feel instantly awake. Plan your sleep in multiples of 90 minutes. 4.5 hours, 6 hours, or 7.5 hours. Set your alarm based on these cycles, not random numbers. Step 2, consistency. Your brain loves rhythm. When you go to bed and wake up at the exact same time every day, even on weekends, you train your circadian rhythm. It's like putting your body's melatonin release on autopilot. Pick a fixed schedule, like 11:30 p.m. to 5:30 a.m., and stick to it. High performers don't just fall into bed, they prepare for it. The last hour before bed is your preparation time. Use the 3-2-1 shutdown method. 3 hours before, no heavy meals. 2 hours before, no work or stress. 1 hour before, no screens. Replace the blue light with warm lamps. Read a book, meditate, or listen to a calm playlist. This signals your nervous system that it is finally safe to power down. First thing after waking, do not touch your phone. Step outside for 10 minutes of sunlight. That light exposure hits your eyes and instantly resets your circadian rhythm. It suppresses leftover melatonin and boosts serotonin, your mood and motivation hormone. You will literally feel your brain wake up. Next, don't hit snooze, hit action. Splash cold water on your face or do 20 jumping jacks. Spiking your heart rate boosts dopamine and norepinephrine, instantly clearing sleep inertia. Within 3 minutes, your energy will skyrocket. Ready for the advanced tricks? The caffeine curfew. No coffee after 2 p.m. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the chemical that makes you tired. Even if you fall asleep, late caffeine drops your deep sleep quality by up to 30%. The cave environment. Keep your room cold and dark, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius, pitch black. The colder and darker it is, the more deep sleep your body creates. Mental declutter. If your mind is racing with to-dos, your brain stays in awake mode. Keep a journal by your bed. Dump your thoughts onto the paper to shift your brain into alpha and theta waves required for deep sleep. Here is the mindset shift that changes everything. Sleep is not a weakness, it is a performance tool. You don't need to brag about surviving on 4 hours of sleep. You need to master efficient recovery. Because success isn't about who stays up the latest, it's about who wakes up clear, calm, and focused. Optimize your sleep and you'll get your time, your energy, and your life back. Because one day, when you wake up naturally before your alarm, eyes open, heart calm, mind clear, you'll realize you didn't need more time, you just needed better energy. If this video gave you a new perspective on your sleep, hit that like button. Subscribe to Dr. Eazylife because next week we are diving into the science of how to feel awake all day long without relying on caffeine. Let's go.